just let them know that we have a finite amount of time on this planet, and you could be viciously mediocre, or you could get the fuck after it.